In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a repeating event in Google Calendar. This is a handy feature that can help you stay on top of recurring appointments, meetings, or any regular commitments you need to remember. So, let's jump right in and walk through this process step by step, making sure you can follow along easily and set up your calendar with confidence. First things first, open up Google Calendar in your preferred web browser. It's important to ensure you're signed in with the Google account where you want this event to appear. Once you're in Google Calendar, direct your attention to the Create button, which you'll find typically on the left side of the screen. Alternatively, if you find it more intuitive, you can click directly on a time slot in the calendar view where you'd like your event to start. A new event window will pop up, ready for you to customize. Next, this is where you start inputting the details of your event. Give it a clear and concise title that describes what the event is about. This makes it easier to identify later on. Alongside the title, fill in the time and date when this event will occur. These details are fundamental as they'll determine when your reminders are triggered and ensure you're where you need to be exactly when you need to be there. Now, here's the crucial part: making your event repeat. Look for the drop-down menu marked Does Not Repeat, which is its default setting. Click this drop-down to reveal various options for how often you'd like your event to recur. You'll see familiar choices like every day, every week, or every month, each of which can simplify organizing your schedule depending on your specific needs. For more customized scheduling, select the Custom option, allowing you to choose specific days of the week for your event, or even set an end date for the repeating series. This flexibility is perfect for events that don't fit neatly into those typical repeating schedules. Once you're satisfied with all the details, click the Save button at the top of the window. This action finalizes your input and ensures the event is created as a repeating series in your calendar. The beauty of this feature is its adaptability. Should you ever need to make changes to the event, Google Calendar gives you the option to edit only this event, this and following, or all events in the series. This granular control means you can tweak individual instances or adjust recurring features without losing your existing setup. That's all there is to it. Now you've successfully created a repeating event in Google Calendar. This straightforward process empowers you to automate your scheduling needs, leaving you with more time to focus on what really matters. Try it out and take one step closer to mastering your organizational tasks.